GlamFam. So today we are doing this wet bronzy look. This video is actually a one brand makeup tutorial and I'm using everything NYX except for like the sponge that I use and the eyelashes that I use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, hello, I am Josie. I post new videos every single week, so it would be awesome if you hit that subscribe button down there and click the bell notification on to become a part of the GlamFam. And let's get into this tutorial.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 choices you made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
Choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, again, again. choices you made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, would you make them again?
Did you make them again?
All the choices you made, would you make them again?
Did you make them again?
Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up. It's the same thing, but a like or a thumbs up, I guess. I don't know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It is that red button down there. It's free, and I post new videos every single week. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye!